Hello, my name is Ethan. In this short video, I will show you how to create a large language model application that runs entirely on your MacBook laptop and then deploy it on a cloud server with NVIDIA GPU. First, here is the Rust source code of the application. The application runs a Llama 2 LLM and then stands up a web API server in front of it. We compile the Rust code into WASM. The WASM file is llamaAPIserver.wasm. The following command uses the LlamaEdge runtime to load the Llama 2 model file and start the WASM application. Once started, it shows a local server that you can test. Let's test this LLM app on our development machine, a MacBook M2 laptop. This web page is served from the LlamaEdge application running on the local computer. It works even without the internet. Our first question is, what is the capital of the United States? The model answers, the capital of the United States is Washington, D.C., District of Columbia. That is quite good. So we ask, are there any tourist attractions in that city? The model follows the conversation and answers with some tourist attractions in Washington, D.C., including the National Mall and Memorial Parks, the Smithsonian Institution, the White House, and others. Next, we want to ship this application to run on a server. The server has an entirely different hardware and software architecture than the MacBook development machine. The server runs Ubuntu, Linux, and has an NVIDIA GPU. Normally, we would not expect the app we just developed on the MacBook to just work on the NVIDIA server. After all, the MacBook app uses Apple's Metal framework to access Apple's GPU accelerators on the M2 chips. The NVIDIA server, however, requires the software to use the CUDA library to access the GPU. However, as we noted before, the LlamaEdge app is portable across GPUs, so we simply need to copy the WASM file to the NVIDIA server. Here we use the scp command to do this. Now, we can log into the NVIDIA server and execute the exact same LlamaEdge command as we did on the MacBook. It runs the WASM bytecode file we built on and copied from the MacBook. The LlamaEdge app starts a web server successfully in the NVIDIA machine. Since we already have the ngrok proxy running on the machine, we can access it via HTTPS from the web. Let's ask a programming question. Write a Hello World program. The model answers the Hello World program code in Python. That's quite good. So we ask the Llama 2 model to rewrite this program in Rust. The model follows the conversation and answers the Hello World program in Rust. With LlamaEdge, you can develop and compile LLM apps on one machine and run the apps on another machine.